Hello, we're back to Path with Songwriting, and this is a fun video because I'm actually going to give you some answers. So hopefully you have your Primo Theory 4 book. I'm going to show you the cover. And we have been studying along in this book, and you have got to be at the portion of the review section 1 through 7. And this is what it looks like in your book. Now, if you have not yet filled this out, you will want to pause the video and fill out what you know. And then join me back here because I am going to give you the answers so you can check your work. So pause the video now if you have not already filled out the review sections 1 through 7. If you have already filled it out and you're joining me, hooray! It is now time to find out how you did. So I have filled this out, and we're going to take a look at my answers, and we're going to see how you did compared to my answers, and then you can grade your own paper. So just to give you a quick look at the beginning line, this is what it looks like for the directions to draw the notes and the sharps. If you want to pause the video now and take a look at how you did and grade your own work, go ahead and do so. Next, we have some identification of intervals. And notice that it's very important to put not only the number, but the letters following the number. So it gives you the instruction up here. If you forgot to put the letters, go ahead and write those in. It'll be great practice for you for our theory test. Moving on, we're going to take a look at the intervals in relation to the keyboard, and you can pause the video anytime and you can take a look at the answers for section 3. Now we're asking you to draw some notes according to the directions that are written in section 4. Pause the video and take a look at how your notes look. In section 5, we're looking at what whole and half steps look like on the keyboard. Take a look at the answers, pause the video if you need some time, and correct your work. All right, when you are done looking at the first page, here is the second page of answers. And so, again, I will give you a little bit of just a focus on the beginning. So there you go. Here are the answers to the whole and half step questions in section 6. All right, here are the answers to question 7 or section 7 of how to write counts below the notes and rests. So notice how I did this, where I put the plus signs, where I put the dashes, and within a short amount of time, you'll be able to do this with great accuracy, and it will really help you as you learn how to write music. Next, we're drawing one note that completes the measure. Pause the video, take a look at question 8, and check your work. Question 9, under the arrow, draw the one rest that completes the measure. Make sure that you have all of these answers correct. The reason that it's so important on question 8 and 9 to be able to do this is sometimes we write music, but we might be just a little bit short on filling the measure, and this gives us some practice. So pause the video and check your work. All right, last is section 10. Write the top number of the time signature in each measure. I hope you counted all of these beats correctly. Take a moment, check your work in section 10. And that is all for today. If you did a great job, pat yourself on the back. We will meet you here on our Path to Songwriting course as we explore the next section starting on page 28. See you then.